Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this presentation. My name is Ayushi Agarwal and I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from College of Engineering and Rural Technology, Meerut. The topic I have chosen for my presentation is augmented reality. The main aim of augmented reality is to create a system such that a user cannot tell the difference between the real world and the virtual augmentation of it. In this presentation, we will discuss what is augmented reality, history of augmented reality versus virtual reality, working of augmented reality, its applications, advantages and disadvantages, and future scope. So, the first question arises, what is augmented reality? It's just a combination of a real scene viewed by a user and a virtual scene generated by the computer that augments the scene with additional information. Or we can say that putting a digital object in a real environment in real time is augmented reality. Let's understand augmented reality with our commonly used app, that is Snapchat. In Snapchat, Lens can track a user's face and overlay images or objects on it, like dog ears on a user's forehead or sunglasses over their eyes. AR features utilizes hotspots matching, that is ears, nose, eyes, and then it places the filter accordingly. Display for AR experience. AR is available to us if we have any of these: smartphone or tablet, PC with webcam, head mounted display or HMD. Let's talk about history of augmented reality. This technology was invented in 1968 with Ivan Sutherland's development of first head-mounted display system. However, the term AR was coined by Boeing researcher Tim Cordell. The technology has come a long way with a growing list of use cases of augmented reality. From NASA simulations to immersive marketing experiences, AR makes tasks easier and definitely with more fun. Augmented reality versus virtual reality. Augmented reality is a very different technology from virtual reality. It enables us to configure, manage, and visualize 3D content. Imagine shooting games with zombies walking in your own bedroom. That sounds interesting. In this technology, we are not moving to another environment. Instead, we are in a real environment creating some digital objects in it in real time. Example, Microsoft HoloLens. Suppose a gamer is playing a game, fighting game, he also needs an opponent, obviously. So the gamer here wears these lenses. Now he will stay in his real environment, but here the characters are created by his real environment only. Like our opponent will come out from the wall to fight. So in this technology, without hindering the vision, we are experiencing the digital content. Whereas virtual reality enhances the imaginary world and take us to the virtual world. VR seeks to create a world of its own, separate from reality, and replaces the real world with a simulated one. Example, if a person wears a headset and loads the tour of Eiffel Tower in it, then that person will feel like he is standing in front of Eiffel Tower and can see all the peoples around him in Paris. In reality, the person is standing in his real environment only, but because of some app, he will feel like that he is a part of his virtual world. It is not expensive because only a lens mechanism is needed and every work is done by our phone, giving it a 3D experience. Okay, so let's see how augmented reality works. Pick a real world scene, add your virtual objects in it, delete real world objects. It is not a virtual reality since the environment is real. Firstly, computer vision understands what is in the world around the user from the content of the camera feed. This allows it to show digital content relevant to the what the user is looking at. The digital content is then displayed in a realistic way so that it looks part of the real world. Let's see applications of augmented reality. Augmented reality in the field of entertainment. For the gaming purpose, technologists created the WoW applications for which the people were mad and got addicted. The best example for this is the game Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go is a 2016 AR mobile game developed and published by Niantic in collaboration with the Pokemon Company for iOS and the Android devices. It was one of the most used and profitable mobile app in 2016, having been downloaded more than 500 million times worldwide by the end of the year. It seems like an overnight success. By early 2019, the game had over a billion global downloads and crossed over 3 billion in revenue. In this game, players must physically travel to explore the game's map and visit Pokestops. AR in the field of healthcare. In healthcare, AR would be a game changer. It will be able to assist surgeons in the operating rooms, help physicians look into the organs of patients, help patients describe their symptoms better, and educate students with a more hand-on experience. Learners wear a special headset that allows them to control the simulated environment. It offers a safe place to practice and can be done anywhere. Augmented reality in the field of traveling. Do you want to travel around the world while sitting on a sofa? Yes, it is possible. Emerging technologies are making it possible. AR has become a boon for the travel and tourism industry, opening the magical doors of possible technology to enrich their customers' experience. AR apps for the travel domain can enable travelers to explore more about destinations through the camera viewfinder functionality. As the camera catches the location, the mobile application marks places of significance and provide additional information about it. Augmented reality in the field of automobile. From testing a new prototype to making some changes in the vehicle design, this concept is a bliss. The whole industry is modernizing and becoming more technologically advanced with the help of this amazing concept, augmented reality in the automobile industry. There are some benefits also of using AR in automobile industry. Number 1, car safety. By augmented reality, the sensors are able to notify drivers that someone is driving rashly and coming near to you. This feature will ensure driver safety and avoid any kind of mishappening. Number 2, augmented reality car repair. AR will help in detecting the problem in the car which can be missed if checked manually. This feature will work on the coordinate mapping concept in which the default dimensions of the car will be saved in the device and the real car dimension will be compared. Number 3, navigation. This is one of the common applications of AR in the automobile industry. The driver can have much better navigation directly on windshield of the car. Augmented reality in the field of real estate. Creating the virtual and augmented effects for all the running site help customers to take a decision whether to visit the building site personally or not. More importantly, AR usage presents benefits as to customers, so to real estate agencies. Clients get more informative and can easily decide what to do further. Agencies deal with the clients that have a more clear vision on a possible deal. Reality can feel magical whether it's a spectacular sunset, an exciting concert, or coming home on a snowy day. If we think about walking in the park on a normal day, how would we feel if we actually came upon a real life fairy? Let us see here. So think, what if we could watch history before our eyes? Or produce computer generated effects layered over the real life image in our camera display? Or learn biology by interacting with human body, or maybe experiments with new chemical compounds, or learn how to play a musical instrument, or to check how our online products will look in a real environment. It seems like everything is possible in today's world just by sitting in our homes through augmented reality. Let's talk about its advantages and disadvantages. It blurs the line between what is real and what is computer generated. AR increases engagement and interaction provides a richer user experience. Research has shown that AR increases the perceived value of products and brands. It gives amazing experience and better perception of things. But there are some disadvantages too. There are some privacy concerns. With most of these services, people unwillingly put information about themselves online. But it may be an unwelcome shock. Let's see its future scope. AR is going to become really big. AR gonna take a little while because there are really hard technologies challenges there. But it will happen. It will happen in a big way. And we will wonder when it does how we live without it. Kind of wonder how we live without our smartphones today. Augmented reality is set to dominate the next age of retail through product visualization. People will always want to know as much as possible before making purchase decision, and AR will help in ensuring customers' confidence. I hope you would have enjoyed the presentation and now you have a better knowledge of AR. Lastly, I would like to thank our Dean, Rana sir, our HOD, Ajit sir, and our coordinator, Neha ma'am, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present this topic before you people. Thank you.